Samsung Galaxy A51 factory unlocked cell phone, 128 GB of storage, long-lasting battery, single SIM, GSM or CDMA compatible, US version in different colors. About this product, the new A series, the features you have been waiting for in your unlocked cell phone. Take crisp pieces with a 48 megapixel quad camera. Immerse yourself in the spacious high definition screen powered by a long-lasting fast charging battery. Unlocked by Samsung, pick more than just your new cell phone. With your unlocked device, choose your preferred carrier, data plan, services, features and apps, and get your phone exactly how you want it. Crisp color, captivating dive into edge-to-edge color with an expansive 6.5 inches Infinity O display featuring a Super AMOLED screen that brings cinematic clarity right to your fingertips. Pro grades shots in just a snap, from epic landscape shots and dramatic portraits to macro angles that reveal intricate textures and detail. This impressive quad camera has a lens for whatever inspires you. Smooth stable shot, take remarkably smooth video of fast moving actions in crisp UHD quality. Its top-notch stability makes photos and videos look super smooth with minimal blur. Secure with a single touch, lock and unlock your phone with just a touch. Thanks to the in-display fingerprint sensor, no stirring contest with your screen or complicated passcodes required. Store more, do more. Save all the things that matter with 16 GB of built-in memory. If you need more, you can expand storage up to 512 GB of storage with a Samsung micro SD card sold separately. So buy this product and subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thanks.